Hey, the garbage guy's here to pick up my garbage and take away my problems. I pulled the fender off to try and fix the passenger side. This shit's just kind of fucked. It is what it is. It's a fucked up fender to begin with, but it's still like a concave. So I don't know. Oh, it's not even gonna take our garbage. That's whack. I don't know. And me fixing it now. I got that hole. This one don't level up. I get this one to somewhat. And that hole disappears. It's just gonna punch the fucking thing back in. I realized that I think my roommate, or at least the roommate that owned the house, his mom used to live here for a minute, and she's the only person I know that had a vehicle that she parked here. I think she might have backed into it on the side, or I don't know, hit the front of this somehow, and it crinkled it more, fucking pushing it back so the door opens up on the fender. Because this side is a lot more straight. I mean, it has this here from factory, but that one's more out and straight, unlike this one. You can see where it's kind of pushed in more. At least to me it looks that way. So I don't know. I just know I'm gonna try and put these fenders back on. I'm not even gonna fuck with the bumper because it's a bitch. All the hardware is rusted out. I put this shit on and it was not like that back home. Being out here, I guess the time fucking the weather really fucks everything up. Cause you can see yeah, it wasn't like that. This whole clip piece was all hardware that I got in better shape. Plus, this had no rust on it when I got it, and now it's all fucking rusty and shit. And the hardware I'm using, because I can't find my ratchet that fits these small ones, and I don't have an adapter for my big ratchet, is I'm using this and this. So it's a bitch, especially when it comes to like these rusty ass bolts. Not surprising, that one is fine. But yeah, so I'm not fitting to do that, so I'm just gonna put the fenders back on and run it with no bumper for a minute. So I'm hungry, I haven't eaten, and I wanna eat before I feel like shit. Get this energy drink fucking finished off. Hang this up that my roommate just got with the rest of our Hot Wheels in the front. So I guess I'll put this on the side like this for now. Ugh. Fucking, I don't know. Maybe, hopefully this comes out better. I don't fucking know. Like that. We'll see. You guys will have to deal with that for later, I guess. For now. And I'll just have to accept it if it looks like shit. So. is gonna re-crinkle up. That's a bitch. I will. Try. My best. Have it as far forward as possible. You fucking monkey. Good enough for me. Of course, fucking sun's gonna come out. It's muggy as shit right now. Hella muggy. No, that's not what I mean. This one. Call that good. No, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna open this before I even do, so at least you guys can see that I made an attempt to fix it, but with the way it being dented like it is and pushed in, it just, yeah, it's fucked. There's no, it is what it is. I have to get that somehow fixed or pulled, but I'm pretty sure, yeah. Damn it, man. Let's have it. Oh. I don't know. fucking put back right here real quick. Check something. Fuck, even it pulled all the way here. Just... It's just bound to get fucked. That sucks fucking donkey dick, dude. Yeah. Well, I tried to fix it, but that's stupid annoying. Hella fucking annoying. Come on, bitch. Fuck that, I don't care enough to fix it too much. It's kind of one of those. It is what it is. I'm not going to waste the time or effort. There's obviously some body damage that I can't 100% see other than what I already do know and see. So I have to wait until I get back home out to Arizona, and see if I can get my brother to do body work on it if possible. That hurt like hell. Well, guess that's it. Can't fix it. Gonna, yeah. About as well as I fixed it, at least it's not punching in all the way like it was, I guess. So, fuck, dude, it pisses me off. Anytime I get pictures, the majority of the time it looks good, it's on this fucking side of the car. It just, man. I mean, I get the car, it looks like ass as is. Fucking. Ever since coming out here, this shit's got more and more fucked up. The weathering, the fucking people out here don't know how to fucking drive. It's, I need to get back home. I need to get back home and figure shit out. Just like these were never fucking rusted. When I got these from Connor, the original owner, these were just, he had them for a while. They still look decently, you know, almost brand new, but you can tell they've been used and been on a vehicle for a while. And coming out here, they just rusted. Surface rust. That one rotor, you won't see it because it's on my old YouTube channel, but I completely replaced this. This was brand new fucking rotor. Everything. And it's just surfaced rust to shit. The brake, all that fucking is just fucked since coming out here. So Texas weather just is not good for fucking this vehicle at all. I cannot wait to get the fuck out of this place and back home. Plus, I mean, halftime we're gonna boil water notice because the town does not take care of any of their crap. Constantly breaking pipes because the pipes are still from fucking like old time fucking beginning of when the town was first made type shit. So it just sucks all around. The water comes out fucking rust brown color. And when I run the hose water, because I used to wash the car here in the van here, and then I realized that washing it, the water was so bad it's caused the surface of any open metal, like you're running across here, yeah, and it would cause, you know, shit like that. I recently washed the window. You can see this just started. That was 2 days ago. It's just the weather and the water out here is fucked for vehicles. Don't come out here with your vehicle unless you don't give a fuck about your vehicle. That's pretty much it. I give a shit about my vehicle. Try to take care of it. But the weather out here will just fuck your shit up fast. Don't get me wrong, it's nice out here. It's cool. The weather and rain and shit can be out of hands. The constant tornado warnings and all that crap. But it's nice out here. It's just the weather for a vehicle, if you care about it, isn't great condition wise. Now if you got like a truck and you're just like, I don't give a fuck about it, gets me to and from, then yeah, you know, nothing to worry about. Same with a vehicle, a car, motorcycle, just a to B. But I mean, yeah, outside of that, because there's people in town here that have like old, you know, classic cars that they go and put their shit and like 3-4 towns over, and one of those special units, the air control and all that crap, because it fucks their shit up so bad out here and so fast. They just park it outside fucking for like 2-3 days. It fucks their paint up and everything. They told me I should do the same thing, but with me not having a license and this not being legit and brake lights not working, it just wouldn't be smart to drive far distances and risk getting in trouble and getting the car impounded or seized and ending up in jail for a probation violation and then doing 7 years flat. It's just not, it's not, you know, a logical fucking idea or plan. So I have to do what I have to do by doing this. I mean, it'd be nice if they would have kept the garage that was originally here, but it would get affected by the weather conditions. It just wouldn't be as bad. But yeah, I'll grab my shit and pull my bumper. Actually, I'm gonna put the bumper in here for now. I don't care. If I have to go somewhere and take a passenger, I'll just pull it out, put it on the ground. Right now, I just want to get in, eat, cool down. So, grab my keys and lock it up. Yeah. The hell's that little? Right there. There we go. Should be him. Lock the door. Steering's locked. Sure it's locked. Good to go. But yeah, so that's it for now, I guess.